So this is the basic part of forex, the part 3 of the series, which I'll be sharing with you guys how to trade and basically the tools you need for trading. All right, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys knowing the right tools to use. You know that when you have the right tools and when you know how to use them, you see yourself, you start making those money and you know how to trade, making those $1,000, $2,000, $300, $400. They will be very easy for you to make because you know how to trade now, and now you now have the right tools. So the number one tools right here is your MT5. There's a platform called MT4, but that MT4 is not really does not really have all the tools that we need. But on MT5 right here, MT5, you can see some very good stuff that can really help your trading journey. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to use MT5, how to get it, how to start working with it. So just go over to your Play Store and search for MT5 like this, MT5, and you see it right here on Play Store. It's very easy, free. Don't allow anybody to tell you to come and buy MT5 from me with $100, $20. I see people getting scams. MT5 is free. It's on Play Store. All right, get it. It's just free. Once you have your MT5, install it, head over to it and create an account on it. They will ask you to create an account. You fill your name, your username, email, your number, the good stuff about creating an account. So once you're on MT5, I'm going to show you how to understand your way around MT5. So this is Praisman FS. I'm talking about forex. I teach people how to trade, how to stay profitable on the forex market on a daily basis, right? So please do well to like this video, and so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that this channel can reach out to people and people can learn from forex and learn from us, and we can grow together, right? So do well to like this video and also subscribe. Now let's get started. So once you get to MT5, the first page right here, you have the quotes. Let me highlight it for you. You have the quotes. You can see this one here, quotes. So the quote is where you see all the currency pair you have added. All these pairs that are here, they are not showing the price because right now the internet is actually giving us a little bit of problem. We have very bad network. So right here you have all the pairs you have. I told you in the beginner video, you have Euro USD. You can see Euro versus US dollar, GBP AUD, GBP pound versus AUD, Australian dollar. So any pair you add here, you have them here on the quotes. On the chart, the chart is where you see the chart of the market, how the market moves. You will see it here. Over this place, you have the price of the market. This is the price of this particular currency called gold. This is a commodity, XAUUSD. That's the symbol for gold. Then over here you have the body of indicators. Here you have the time frame. This is where you take your orders, your buy stop or your sell stop. Then this is where you execute the trade. All these buttons I'm highlighting. This one is where you look at a particular point in the chart. When you start using MT5, you start seeing, or you start understanding them. So just get MT5, open an account and start trading on them. Start seeing how it works, and also learn. You can also learn from others as well to gain more knowledge, right? So I'm just giving the basic things. You might not be able to learn everything from me, but reaching out to other mentors as well that are free on YouTube, you can gain knowledge how to use MT5 and other stuff. So that's it for here. You can see this arrow is where you look at the price, like in a particular chart. Want to see the time here, over here the price, over here the time. So that's it for this page. Then over here is the trade. The trade is where you see your account balance. This is the account balance right here. So you have just $2 here. The equity is 2, free margins also 2. So I told you in the beginners video that your equity, your balance, your margin, all those things, they will increase. If your balance is big, they will also be big. But if your balance is small, they will also be small. Then over here we have the history. History is where you see all the trades you have taken. If I look at all the trades I've taken over the last few months, you will see them here, the profitable trades, the losing trades, everything. You see the ones are in red are the ones that are in loss, that ended them with loss. The ones in blue are the ones that ended with profit. I made $1 share, $0, $1, $1, $2, 0.08 loss, just like that. So you see the red ones are in loss, the blue ones are in profit. So like I said, this is trading, right? This is forex. Sometimes you take losses, but that doesn't mean you don't know what you're doing. That's why you keep learning, keep seeking out. Don't give up on forex, bro. Trust me, don't give up on forex. This way, if you want to sign up on messages, you will see it here. So forex trading can help you, it can change your life. Know what you are doing, know your way around the market. So you can see the internet has come back. So if I click on this button here, you see my orders. This is called buy limit. If for example I'm targeting this price to go higher, I'll be able to use this buy limit as a trap. Right now the market has closed, it's not going to work. So when it's going to work, I will take this buy limit above this price. It becomes selling. Buy limit means I put this buy limit here. I take profit. I already taught you what is take profit, the amount you are targeting for a trade to reach. I taught you in the beginning videos. So this is it right here. My buy limit is here, then my stop loss is also here. Stop loss is just how much I'm willing to lose in the trade. If I'm targeting $3,500, $3,600, that means I am ready to lose 1,800 US dollars, right? So this is just what I explained on the basic video. I said don't worry, you see these things in practical. These are them in the practical. If you have not watched those basic videos, go to my playlist, go and watch Mastering Forex Basics Part 1, Part 2. You will see all these things there. I teach about them on these videos. So this is on the case of a buy trade. Then in case of a sell trade, I will take this buy limit above this price here, meaning my take profit will not be below, the stop loss will not be above. Why? Because I'm not targeting downward. From this point to here, I'm targeting about $5,600, meaning I want this price to come down. If you're in a trade and it is showing blue, you know that you're in profit. But when you're in a trade and it's showing red, that means you are in big loss. So just go and download MT5, create an account with them. They will tell you to choose the amount you want on your account balance. If it's $10,000, $2,000, choose it and trade with that account. I will show you how to place your first trade in the next video. I will talk about how to take trades and other stuff like that. So how to take your trade and how to understand how the market moves, right? So please do well to follow up so you will not miss out on that video. So this is how you take a trade. This is how all these things works. Your orders, your buy stop is also there. If I click on this button again, it turns to sell stop. Click on it again, it stops to sell. Apply limit, click on it, it turns to buy limit. If I take it above the price, then I click on it, it now turns to buy stop, meaning I'm now targeting above. I'm looking for this price to go up, then I can risk a little bit and target a little high. So you see, if I take it below, it becomes sell stop, meaning I'm not targeting this price to go downward. Meaning if in the case of a sell trade, this is what I will use. Then in case of a buy trade, this is what I will use. When you start using MT5, all these things will become just simple ABCD to you. They are very, very easy. You just need to understand them, use them. You can also learn from others to gain more knowledge. So do well to like this video and subscribe. So this is basically how you use MT5. If I click on this button here, you will see the price showing above. This way you see your lot size. I taught you guys how your lot size can affect your trading. If you're using one lot size, you click on it. If you're using 0.01, you have lot size ranging from 0.01 up to, depending on how the leverage enhance. So the bigger your leverage, this is when your leverage add up. If you can open 20 lot size or 200, it's showing red, meaning you cannot open 200. If you can open maybe about 150, it's still showing red on 150. Say 100, all right, you can open up to 100 lot size on each trade, meaning the leverage they give to you is a bit high. By the time your leverage is low, maybe 1 is to 50, 1 is to 100, like I said in those videos, the bigger the leverage, the bigger chance you have of placing more trades. But the smaller the leverage, the smaller chances you have. So learn to work with big leverage and learn how to trade, so that when you are trading, you will not say the leverage are eating up your money. It just become a game of zeros. When you understand it, it will be easy for you to use. So please do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel, so we can grow this channel to reach out to many other people on the internet space. So you make more money from forex when you understand how to trade. Let me show you something. I take up this lot now. From this distance to this place, you can see how much is here. That is a lot of money, and people make this money every day trading forex. Look at how much is here. This is $694,000, more than $500,000. If you were trading with 100 lot size, you would have made $694,000 from just this move. This is on the 5 minutes time frame. That gives us the time frame. Time frames helps you to see how the candlestick print in terms of those frames, in terms of those time frames. Say for example, as we're on the 5 minute time frame, meaning each of all these candles I already taught you guys candlestick on the last video. You can go and watch if you don't know what candlestick are. You can see it on that video. Each of all these candlesticks, they take 5 minutes to form. Meaning this other next candle that is forming, for this candle to appear to close, it is going to take another 5 minutes, because we're on the 5 minutes time frame. There are other higher time frame. Click on it, you see the 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, the daily time frame, the 1 hour. Meaning each of all these candles on the daily time frame, each of all these candles, it will take 1 day for these candles to form. That's where you now see top-down analysis, where we now start analyzing from the higher time frame. These ones are for the advanced part of forex trading. I'm just teaching you from the basic. Time frames determine how long the candlestick will take to form in a particular chart. But in a 5 minutes time frame, it will take 5 minutes for each candlestick to form. On the 1 hour time frame, it will take 1 hour for each of all these candlesticks to form. In the case where you are seeing red candlesticks, it means that the sellers are taking the price downward. That's why you're seeing red candlesticks. While in the case where you are seeing green candlestick, it means the buyers are taking the price upward. So that is for candlesticks. So like I said earlier, go and watch my beginner videos so you can understand all these things. So please, we have come to the end of this video. Do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you got any value from it. I know you got value from it. How to use MT5 the easiest way. If you want to take a sell trade, you click on this sell right here. After you have arranged your lot size, let me see, you have arranged your lot size like this. You click on this sell button. You want to take a sell, you want to take a buy trade, click on the buy button. After you have arranged your lot size you want to use to take that trade, you are the 1 minute. If you want to go to the 5 minutes, click on this one HR, meaning 1 hour. Click on 5 minutes to see a particular trade. The indicators, click on this N sign, you see, click on this plus sign, you see different indicators that you can see. There are so many indicators on MT5. So if you want to learn to trade with indicators, I also teach people how to trade with indicators, the moving average. There are other indicators out there that you can also trade with. So that is it. After that, we have the quotes, how to add pairs. You click on this plus sign, you see, find any pair you want to find. Commodities, they are here. That is after you have created your MT5. Forex, they are also here. Forex major, I taught you major pair, exotic pair, and the rest of them. Then I said I'm going to show you guys where the spread is on the chart. So this is the spread right here. The distance between these two prices, this green line and this red line, this distance is the spread. I see so many people explain spread in a very difficult way. I said this channel is to teach you how to understand forex in an easy and simple way. So the distance, where I say what is the spread of this market, the distance is these 2 points. So from this distance might just be 2 pips or maybe 1 pips. Pips is position in percentage. How the market moves. The market moves in pips. As you can see this market now, you can see the way it is moving. So the way the candlestick are printing, that is called pips. The movement, the distance from here to here, this candlestick, let me say 1 2 3 4 5, might just be about 10 pips or 11 pips. So you see the pip movement. You can learn how to calculate pips on YouTube. I also teach that on forex, pip count, and how to understand them. So that is for that. So the distance between this green line and this red line is the spread of this chart. Some charts, their spread are very wide. Let me show you a particular chart that I know the spread they are wide. You can see this one. You can imagine the spread on this chart. Look at this spread. So you can see if you take a particular trade, you are going to pay for this spread might be what, about $1 or $2 to pay for just this distance of spread. Meaning the spread is too wide to take this trade right now. Maybe that's because the market has closed, but bro, if you want to take this trade, you have to be very, very careful because the spread is wide. That is this distance of from this red line to this green line. The distance is the spread. So I don't know if you're understanding me. Doesn't matter. The spread, I told you in the last video that the spread is how the brokers make their money. And if for each trade you will take, you always pay for spread. You are taking a trade with $1, that they are taking about 0.1 cent as their own percentage. As their own. That is the money, the transaction. I told you forex trading is transaction. You are transacting currency, you are trading currencies from different economies. So as you take a trade, you pay for that spread. Each trade you take, you pay for that spread. That's how you learn to trade the major pair, because major pair that spread are very low. Like that one I showed you earlier, the spread are low. But exotic pairs, some minor pairs, not all of them, some of them, their spread are wide. So learn to take trade on pairs that their spread are low, so that you pay small for the spread and you make more money as the market goes in your direction. The price need to go above where you enter from before you must be in profit. So that's why you need to learn to take smaller spread currency. So do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching to the very end. This is Praiseman FS signing out. And like I said, forex trading can change your life. Don't give up on forex. Trust me, bro. Don't give up on forex. Look at the things people are buying: Lamborghini, houses, cars. If people don't give up on forex and they succeed, you should not give up, and you should also succeed. That's my prayer for you. That's my prayer for me. Do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel so we can grow the channel higher, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take it easy, guys. Learn more about forex, learn more from me, learn more from other mentors, and peace out. Bye.